Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Niranjana from Leo Tales. So today we will be unboxing Dye Beauty bag for the month of January. It is a beauty plus jewelry subscription at $7.99 plus free shipping, and the beauty products will be from brands that are compatibly safer on skin. So it is a partly personalized subscription. A lipstick choice and a jewelry choice is given, which we'll discuss later in the video. So let's get started and see what we have in the January bag. Here we have Dye Beauty bag for the month of January, and it is a very beautiful clutch cum sling kind of bag, and this is how the design is. You can receive a random color. The one silver that I got, it's very pretty. It's actually very spacious, as you can see, and this is something that I definitely can use. Material quality also seems to be pretty decent. You are just paying $7.99 for the bag plus the product, so it is a very good deal, and it's a very simple design also. So inside that we have two separate pouches, two separate racks, and then there is a zipper compartment also, and it comes with a metallic sling. So if you want to use it as a sling, that also. And then inside that we have all the products also. So we'll open up the products and get started. The first product is a lipstick from Organistick. We also received an Organistick lipstick in their launch edition. This is one of those affordable brands that has comparatively safer cosmetics, free of animal fat, parabens and petrochemicals, with the goodness of jojoba, argan and shea butter. So it contains less chemicals and no capsules, any chemicals at all. So this lipstick is priced at $299, and you have shade options. 11 shades are available. The shade that I picked is shade number 21, Classic Maroon. This is how the shade looks like. I'm not gonna swatch it because I have so many maroon and mauve lipsticks, and the reason why I like Organistick is, one, the color payoff is very good. The red that I received in my earlier box, the color payoff is excellent. On top of that, it is an affordable option, and also it is like a comparatively safer lipstick choice. So that is why I really like Organistick lipsticks, and also a color choice is a good option. So this is the first product. So these are the color choices available. 11 are available, which has pinks, reds and mauve, so that is pretty good. Second product is a bath melt from Elixir Secrets. So a bath melt is a product that is it's basically like a soap only, but it is something that will moisturize your skin. You can rub it onto your wet skin. This is in the shape of a heart, and then it will not get over in one go. You can moisturize your body. That is how a bath melt works. Basically like a soap, but a bit more of a fancy kind of product. So the shape is pretty cute. It's like a heart, as you can see. The problem is that when a thing is very cute, I end up not using it. So packaging is pretty simple, like very simple, and it is a very soft kind of thing. So I received it in perfect condition, although I really wish Elixir Secrets work on the packaging a bit more. Like put it in some sort of a solid case and then put it inside, because it's a very soft thing. Only because the bag was pretty sturdy, it reached me in perfect condition. Otherwise it would not have been. So that is my suggestion to Elixir Secrets. So this is the bath melt, and this is a very unique product, and I have not received any of such products in subscription boxes before. So that was a good addition. Moving on, we have two products from Wadi Herbals. The first one is the Pure Honey Lemon Face Wash with jojoba beads. So Wadi is one brand that has been trusted by many. It contains lemon and honey, balances oil and moisturizes skin. I believe it's good for oily skin and probably all skin types. The price is $55. It must be smelling exactly like lemon. I really have to sniff it. Yeah, it smells like lemon, a very refreshing kind of fragrance. So this is the second skincare product in the box, and Wadi is a good brand. It's an affordable brand. Then the third skincare product is again from Wadi, and it is the Rich Velvety Moisturizing Lotion with Pink Rose Extract. 110 ml of the product, and price is $64. Key ingredients is mentioned: pink rose and goat milk. Goat milk is very good for moisturization, and it must be smelling amazing. Yeah, it smells like some baby products. That's what I feel. It's not very rosy, but a very soothing baby products kind of fragrance. So this is the second product, again a full-sized one. So a moisturizing lotion is good. I mean, even if you have like normal skin, when you come right out of the shower, it is always advisable to use a moisturizer within 3 minutes. And I have lots of body lotions. I literally love stocking it up. So Wadi will be definitely a good addition. Now we have two jewelry pieces this time. One jewelry piece is common to all, and the second is a choice. The one jewelry that is common to all is this one. It is from the brand Adore Bella. yeah, that is, I think they have an Insta page as well. So this is the jewelry piece that is common for all. I really like it. I don't know why, I really like the thread pattern and the rusted golden color. It's a very pretty one and a very good color choice. I wouldn't say so unique, but I really like it. It's not too lightweight and flimsy. Really like the pattern, and this is something definitely that I would wear. So this is the first earrings, and the second earrings is something of your choice, and this is what I have picked for me. So that is like a leaf, and then there is a ball. It's a pretty cute one. It's lightweight and something that I can definitely wear. So this is my choice, and this is my type also, and this is how the back side of it looks like. It's good quality metal, and this is the second earrings. So these are all the products basically that I received in my Dye Beauty bag for the month of January. So I received a clutch or a sling. I received a makeup product, 3 skincare products. Of course, my favorite is the bath melt, and then 2 jewelry pieces, one of my choice. So I think it's a good one. It's a good mix of jewelry and skincare and makeup and accessory like a bag. So it's a pretty good choice at $7.99. You are not paying anything extra like shipping or anything. So at $7.99, this box will definitely not disappoint you. About Dye Beauty bag for the month of January. Let me know how you like the bag and how you like the video. So we will meet soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.